all, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset the tire pressure indicator of a Dacia Logan 2018. When you have a flat tire, after repairing your flat tire, you need to reset it or initialize the new pressures on your tires, and in this short video I'm going to show you how I can do that. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Use the commentary if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, first of all, have the ignition key ready. Turn the ignition key to the second position. I'm talking about this over here. I reset it recently, so it's gone now. But when it pops up, you need to do this, what I'm going to show you now. And you're going to use this buttons over here. Use the button on the top. Press it multiple times to find set TP, this one. This one, set tire pressure. Once you have done that, press this button over here, the up button, press and hold it. Once again, press and hold it till it starts blinking. Keep it pressed, and now it's gone now, and your indicator over here must disappear. So once again, find set tire pressure. Once you've found that, press and hold the up button till it stops blinking, and once you have done that, the indicator over here must disappear. That was it for this video. I'm gonna thank you for watching our videos and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.